In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add an amazing shake effect in your video inside Premiere Pro 2025. As you can see, we have the clips in the timeline here. Just make sure you're at the section where the clips are just about to change and cut it there. Just like that, we cut it where they're about to change. Then head over to the effects panel. Inside there, search for the Creative Cut animation presets. In this pack, there will be a bunch of other presets for animation, but today we're just going to be looking at the shake presets. Pick whichever shake you want. For this video, I'm probably going to use the 140 shake. After selecting the shake, apply it onto your second clip. Then play over the video to see if it fits. I think that's pretty good. It's just lagging a bit because it's not rendered. Well, otherwise it's really good. And if you want to find this preset animation pack, be sure to check the link to my Patreon in the description. Otherwise, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe and leave a like if this video helped you.